Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, let me discuss about Assert false. Right click, new, package, data. Inside the data package, right click, new, Java class. The class name I'm giving as data. In the data class, I'm creating one method, public boolean test data I'm saying, and pass the integer value, and the integer value name is num. Now here what I'm doing here is I'm returning true. Let's say for example I'm writing if condition, if the number I'm passing is double equal to 0, then what I'm doing here is I'm returning false, otherwise return true. That means num double equal to 0. If the number which I am passing is 0, return false, otherwise return true, I'm saying. So in the test package, right click, new, package. I'm creating the data as a package name, new, Java class, test data. I'm saying here I'm creating one method, test the data. Annotate this method with @test, which is from the Jupyter package, JUnit Jupyter. I'm creating the object data equal to new data. Do the assertion, which is from the org.junit.jupyter.api package. Dot assert false, that takes the boolean condition. Data dot and call the method and pass the some number. Let's say for example here in the test data method, what I am doing here is if the number which I am passing is equal to 0, then return false, I am saying. That means here it is assert false. Let's say for example if I pass here 0, that means what it should do is if the condition is false, if the condition that it is returning is false, then this test case will pass. See here, this test case has been passed. That means what I am doing here is data.test data, I am passing the number as 0. It will go inside this method. If the corresponding number is double equal to 0, then it is returning false. It is returning false. That means the condition is false. If the condition is false, that means the assert false method, what it will do is if the corresponding condition is false, then the condition satisfies and the corresponding test case will get passed. Let's say for example I'm passing 2. What it will do here, see, run the test case, the test will get failed. Expected is false but the actual is true. That means it will go inside this test data, it will check the if condition. If the num double equal to 0, that means I have passed the number as 2, num double equal to 2, that means this condition has become failed. So it will come here and it will return the value true. So what it will do is this is assert false and it is returning the value as true. So this test case will become fail. The expected is false and the actual is true. I'm giving back as num 0. Then this condition will become and the test condition will become pass. The test has passed. That is about the assert false.